What's going on, everybody? Caleb here, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the Apple Watch Series 3 and Series 4. We're going to be doing a speed test between the two of them and see what advances Apple made from the S3 chip to the S4 chip found inside of the Apple Watch Series 4. First things first, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for videos just like these on everything Apple. So, first things first, we're going to power these down, and I'll be right back when they are all ready to be powered on. Now that both watches are powered off, we're going to see how long it takes for each watch to power on. The Apple Watch Series 4 clocks in at 34.5 seconds. And the Apple Watch Series 3 comes in 1 minute and 35 seconds later at 2 minutes and 10 seconds. So first thing, we're going to make sure that all of the apps are closed in the background for both of the watches. First app we're going to test is the weather app. 3, 2, 1. Opens at the same time. Now let's scroll over to the stocks app. 3, 2, 1. Apple Watch Series 4 faster on that one. Now we're going to try the calendar app. About the same time, just different screens. Now we're going to try the workout app. Same time on both watches. Now let's try the activity app. Same time. Now we're going to try an app that's often slow, the Mail app. The Apple Watch Series 4 pulls it up right away. Now we're going to open up the Home app, and the Series 4 pulls it up right away, and the Series 3 pulls up the app, but it doesn't load until a couple of seconds after the Series 4. Now, along with the improvements that Apple made to make the watch faster on the Series 4, they also made external differences, and you can see the roundness of the corners on the Series 4 compared to the Series 3. And when you open up a watch face, you can definitely tell the screen just stretches out much more, in fact, over 30% more on the Apple Watch Series 4. Special to the Series 4, you can have full screen watch faces compared to the Series 3 that just gives you the circle. And in apps like the weather app, you can see how the icons are much bigger on the Series 4. Even down to the settings app, you can see how the buttons stretch edge to edge on the Series 4 compared to the Series 3. Putting the watch side by side, you can see obviously that the top one is a stainless model and the bottom is an aluminum. Apple got rid of that red dot on the side. They also redesigned completely the back of the Series 4 with new electrodes and a new heart rate sensor. And from the other side, they added another speaker and they moved the microphones to the other side on the Series 4. That's going to do it for this video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button for future videos just like these. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
that I feel.